together for the Salu Salu dance group all the way from... Yes, Kayum has done Fiji proud, and also we know.
Firstly, of course, I'd like to thank the organizer, Kulsum, for organizing this carnival. As she said, and I think very appropriately, these sorts of festivals brings people together. It helps us to not just come together to probably, buy things from the stores, but also to be able to recognize that we have so much in common. It brings us together as a community. But more importantly, I think it also helps us to realize that what we can do as a nation. The reality is, ladies and gentlemen, that Fiji is very much on the move at the moment. As you know, there's a lot of developments that's taking place. You see a lot of development here taking place in Naindovi. You now have street lights. You now have street lights here in Naindovi, in Duvu, all the way to the back road. And the reason why we are doing this is essentially to ensure that you have the same level of facilities, the same level of amenities that people in the towns and cities benefit. Of course, Naindovi has become a small town in itself, the whole Duvu area. And as government, we want you to enjoy those facilities. There'll be a lot more happening. We now, of course, have the health center, the police post, and we want to bring in more commercial activities into the place. So all of us can, of course, contribute to that if we have that level of community spirit, if we have that level of commitment to wherever we live, and of course a commitment to our nation. I do not, of course, intend to make a long speech except to say that please enjoy yourselves in the next few days. We probably need to be able to also ensure that we keep ourselves safe and the people around us safe. But let's put our hands together for the organizers who put this all together once again. I'd also like to, of course, acknowledge FSC. As you know, the sugar industry and FSC itself is going through a number of significant and positive changes. This area, of course, has a lot of potential to be developed into a much better site. And this is currently, in fact, yesterday I just had a meeting with the CEO, the new CEO of FSC, and the Chief Operating Officer and the Chairman of the Board a couple of days prior to that. And you'll again see a lot of significant changes taking place. But I'm glad that FSC has also helped build that community spirit by providing the space for the organizers of this event. So, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all a very good evening. We look forward to your support and your contribution in helping build up the community and helping contribute to our wonderful country. Thank you very much. Thanks.